Hey traders, what to trade next week? For this weekly edition I prepared for you the discussion about euro-dollar, about gold. We will discuss very nice buying opportunity on dollar-yen pair with the entry, stop and targets, and also we will discuss why I bought Bitcoin Cash, and I will share with you again the stops and targets for this wonderful trade. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start the discussion. Alright traders, let's start with the euro-dollar, and as you can see, bullish continuation in euro-dollar continues, and so far the market remains very sharply bullish. But I want to remind you that if we look left at structure, over here we have a very strong structure shelf. You can see that in the past it was a very strong historical resistance, and as you can see, just recently, once the price tested the lower boundary of the structure resistance, we saw an immediate strong bearish reaction from that. So it looks like within that area, once the price will be within that, we will see the bearish accumulation. For that reason, chances will be high to see a strong bearish reaction from that structure cluster. But the main problem right now is that the structure cluster is quite wide, and if we just randomly short there, the risk to reward for us won't be that good, and we will wait probably very long until we see a bearish continuation. So we definitely need some confirmation. And to confirm the coming bearish movement, I want you to be focused on this wedge pattern. I guess you see this rising wedge pattern. You can see that so far its resistance respected 3 times, its support respected 3 times. So your plan on euro-dollar is the following: you wait until the market enters that zone. Yes, you let the price trade within that zone, you let the selling volumes accumulate, and then your trigger right here will be the breakout of the support of the wedge. Once you see the daily candle close, important right here, not hourly candle close, not the 4-hour candle close, but daily candle close. We are analyzing daily time frame. For that reason, you will look for the daily candle close below the support of the wedge, and only then bearish continuation will follow. And where will be the goal for sellers in case of a breakout? Again, we look left at structure. We look left at structure, and over here is our closest strong daily structure support. So this will be the goal for sellers in case if we see the breakout. So far the setup is conditional. For now, we are waiting. So many things to wait. First of all, yes, let the price trade within that, and wait for the breakout, then wait for the candle close. But that is what we need to make our predictions more accurately. And also the reminder that for some reason, in case if we violate that yellow structure cluster to the upside, if we close above that on a daily, then bullish continuation will continue, and we will expect a bullish rally to this structure high. Yes, this high of this year. So for now, this is your plan for euro-dollar. Hey traders, if you want to learn my trading strategy, if you want to learn price action and technical analysis, if you want to analyze the market as I do, please check my ebook. There I was trying to combine basic and advanced things about trading. So I studied there with the structure, with the patterns, I studied there with the market trend, and then I show you how do I actually look for trading opportunities. I share with you my rules for trade management, for entry, for stop placement. Everything is there. So check that. It is vasilytrader.com/ebook. The link will be in the description below. Check that, and let's continue. And I guess if you keep monitoring dollar-yen pair, if you trade this pair, you saw how sharply bullish it is. And right here we have a major rising trend line that the market is following. You can see how nicely the market participants are willing to buy from that trend line. And recently what happened? Recently we tested this trend line, and we saw the immediate strong bullish reaction. And there is a very nice opportunity for us to catch a bullish continuation right now to the current structure high. But to find that, we need to analyze lower time frame. I'm on a 4-hour chart, and I hope you see right here a very nice bullish flag pattern. If we follow the recent lower highs, lower lows right here. We can easily identify this falling parallel channel, and this week this channel was broken. We saw a very nice breakout of that, and definitely it was a very nice trigger. Before the breakout, the price managed to form here a double bottom formation with equal lows. It was the additional very nice clue. And right here, based on this double bottom, we have the neckline. And we have the neckline right here, we have the broken resistance of the flag, and also we have our major trend line. So here we can easily identify the contracting area, the contracting zone of demand, the zone from where buyers will buy, the zone from where the bullish bias traders, the trend followers will buy the market. And I guess we can join this movement as well. So I will buy the market with buy limit from that point, yes, from the neckline, from this horizontal structure, with my stop below the lows. And our goal right here, our goal will be the current structure high. And looking left at structure, our structure high is right here. You can see how far it is. And if we check what risk to reward we can get right here, 2.6 risk to reward looks very decent. Moreover, from a price action perspective, if previously we saw this local bearish trend right here on the dollar yen, recently we started a bullish trend right here. Yes, we have the bullish impulse, retracement, and new bullish impulse with the new higher close. So we already were very bullish. Right now we see this retracement, but chances will be high to see the bullish continuation. So this is the trade for you for dollar yen for next week. And now let's discuss gold. With gold, we will take again a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, you can see that we are still very bullish. As we previously discussed during the previous edition, the market here just keeps growing. There are a lot of reasons for that. There are the fundamental reasons, there are technical reasons, and definitely the market participants are willing to push that. And our task is to identify where is the goal for buyers right now. And I want to remind you that right here on the left we have this major strong structural resistance. That structural resistance based on two historical levels. First of all, we have this historical structure right here from where we saw the strong bearish impulse. And we have the historical structure right here that was respected 2 times. So you can see we have quite wide zone of resistance again, and again chances will be high to see a strong bearish movement from that structure. Yes, but first of all we must let the price reach that structure first, and for now definitely for us the market remains very bullish. Right now gold is growing within this rising parallel channel. I hope that you see this channel, because so far for intraday traders, for scalpers, the market perfectly respects the boundaries of this channel. And guess what do we need to short gold wisely? We need to let the price reach that structural resistance. Then we should let the price coil within that structure. Again, we'll wait for the bearish accumulation, for the bearish volumes accumulation. And then we will wait for the breakout of the channel to the downside. And again, we need the daily candle close. As with the euro dollar, though there we had the wedge, again here everything depends on the breakout. And only when we see the breakout of this channel, only then a bearish continuation will be expected. And where will be the goal for sellers in case of a breakout? I see right here this very nice decent structure around 1800 level. I guess that structure right here is very decent, and for shorting definitely it must be, this level must be considered as your goal. And again, the market is very bullish, so we also should remember that there is a chance that the market will break that structure. In case if we see the bullish continuation within this channel, and once the price reaches that yellow structure cluster, it just violates that to the upside, then again bullish continuation will be expected. And our next goal will be the structure shelf right here. So you can see how far it is, you can see how nice potential for growth can be in case if we violate that yellow structure cluster. And also, by the way, remember, if you are a scalper, if you trade the market intraday, if you trade 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes short, consider the boundary of this channel for buying and selling. Yes, you can You can trade the trend following setups from the support of the channel. You can trade counter trend trading setups from the resistance of the channel. So remember about this channel, for now it looks very decent. And lastly, I wanted to tell you that I bought some Bitcoin Cash, and here I want to remind you that with the cryptos I apply the same strategy. I don't look for some extra things. I apply my classic top-down trading strategy for making decision on crypto market as well. And what I noticed on the Bitcoin Cash is that the price retraces perfectly to this daily key level. Very nice, very strong key level, and on that the price formed this very nice bullish doji. So for me, being a very bullish bias right here, chances are high to see a bullish continuation, to retest the current structure high and then to go to the moon to the new highs. And on the 4-hour, I even found a very nice confluence over here. From that structure low, I decided to draw a trend line, and I found this very nice rising trend line. So then we had the confluence between the daily key level and the 4-hour intraday structure. And moreover, once this trend line was touched, we saw a very nice bullish engulfing candle. So definitely it was a very powerful and very important signal. But the main confirmation I found on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, I was monitoring the symmetrical triangle. Look over here, I saw this very nice triangle. I was monitoring that triangle for quite a while, and I was looking for a bullish breakout of the triangle as the confirmation. And this morning when I was checking the charts, the price broke above the resistance of the triangle. The triangle was broken, and in the morning the price was trading around this level. So I decided to buy some Bitcoin Cash. You know, it was my decision, and then I opened the position on the Binance, and right now I am the holder of some Bitcoin Cash coins. So this is how my position looks like from a current perspective. I have my stop loss below the lows right here. Yes, because definitely if the price goes below our current structure low, definitely we will be wrong in our predictions. And I want to see the retest of the current structure high is the goal. Yes, I will protect my profits there, but also I will keep some portion of my trading position for trailing stop, because chances will be high that Elon or someone else will push that to the new high. So this is how I see it. It is the trend following trade. So the main point of this trade is that though the accuracy of them is not that high with the crypto market right now, what is high is the risk to reward. Yes, with my students, we managed to catch so nice winners with the 7-to-1 risk to reward, 12-to-1 risk to reward, just phenomenal risk to reward. Yes, and thanks crypto for that. So let's hope that with this one we will manage to make nice cash as well. Alright traders, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new weekly edition. I hope that next week we will make very nice money on the trades that I showed you. Also, don't forget to check my ebook, the link in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.